Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Olasukomi. So I got asked several questions about the channel membership, and I wonder, even if you're watching this video right now, you would have wondered what the YouTube channel membership is all about. If you look at the subscribe button below this video right now, the red subscribe button, you're going to see in front of it a join button, something like join button. So basically, depending on your location, you might see the join button or you might not see it. But if you're in Nigeria, you can see the join button actually. So what the channel membership is all about is basically that we usually have a private class on our Telegram group, and we have and I announce it on our WhatsApp group. So we usually the class usually hold on our Telegram classes, right? So most of the video, to those that are unable to join the Telegram classes, I upload the videos right here on YouTube, but they are under the channel membership, right? It is only people that are part of the channel membership that will get access to those videos. So that is what the channel membership is all about. So if you join the channel membership, you're going to get access to both the past video and the subsequent video. So if you're part of the channel membership, anytime you come to YouTube, you're going to get access to those videos. And in case you want to see all of those videos, or you just have to go to the main channel, I'm going to go to my system right now and show you guys how to access the channel membership video. You're going to just go to the main channel and you're going to scroll down, and under the membership, you're going to see all of the videos that we have posted that are part of the private classes, right? That I've posted. We started doing our classes since last year November. Since last year November. So all the videos all the private classes we've did, you're going to have access to them, and you're going to have access to the subsequent one. So I'm going to assume you're watching this video on your phone right now. So if you want to watch the full membership videos, which are the classes we've did on our Telegram group, when you click on the channel, you can see, when you scroll down on the main channel, you can see all these videos that has a green dot in front. You can see these ones with the green, it says members only, members only, members, as you can see, like that. So these are the video for the members. So if you try to play this, it's not going to play. It's going to ask you to join the channel membership, as you can see. So if you join the membership class and you want to access all our subsequent video, just come to the main channel right here and just scroll down. You're going to see all this. So the recent video I uploaded is our safari suit. You can see that. And the one we are working on right now, which is the waistcoat, you can go into access it later as well. I can play it because this is the main dashboard for the channel itself. I'm the creator of the channel, so that's why I can access the video. So in case you want to have access to all the videos all the classes we've did before, this way you're going to come, and this way you're going to see all of them. But the membership is actually like monthly charges. Like if you use your card, they're going to charge you per month. So the membership are in 2 tiers, right? I have the support the sewing workshop, which is just if you like what you're seeing here, if you like the video I'm making and the video I've helped you in any ways, you can just support the channel by just joining the support the sewing workshop. However, if you join the support the channel, you're going to have access to some other private videos that I've made for the channel, like how to make money being a fashion designer, and some videos that I've actually added there. I think I have several videos under the support the sewing workshop. So you're not supporting for free, you're going to get something in exchange for your value, right? And the second one, which is the advanced class, is the one that cover all the classes that we've made in our private Telegram classes. So you're going to have access to all of them. So just in case, I've been getting several people asking me this message, like, what is the channel membership, like what would they get? So whenever I get this message again, I'm just going to send this video to them. So I just try as much as possible to explain what the channel membership is all about. So in case you're interested, just click on the join button below and join the channel membership and check all the videos in the membership aspect. And that is it about this explain video. I just want to explain what the channel membership is all about. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a like button. Just hit that like button. And if you hit the like button, like right now, the like button is going to pop off some buffets like this. Something will just pop off. You've not tried it before, just try it now. And comment below what's your thoughts on that. So that's about it on this video. Make sure you enjoy your day and do have fun. I'll see you on another video. Peace, and do enjoy yourself. Bye bye. Jesus Christ.